Okay, paralog baro so sisin nga hang ni bagi ni paralog jingi kibali na po West Bengal Kilawan. Especially tang nakabentangan ni ka festival tik mentangin kili ki kumno kisngo habaki bami ni pineapple banay na po ka jala ka jongi. So hi ma'am, hi all of you. So my name is Garman. I'm an influencer. So I want to get a reaction of you while eating the pineapple and then let us know how do you feel about the pineapple. But we will start with the introduction so that people will know. So if you can tell me your name.
I'm Tithi this side.
From?
And, from staying here in Gurgaon, but from Bengal.
From Bengal.
And the whole purpose of coming to enjoy and relish this pineapple is you know, childhood mein we used to have this in Agartala, Tripura.
Tripura.
So I just love that pineapple and I was very excited that it's here. I mean, our northeast ka pineapple is here
Right,
and I'll
right.
get to eat this because you don't get this everywhere. They are the best pineapple, the most juicy and tasty pineapples you can ever have.
Yeah, and surely it's organic, guys.
Oh, great.
Yes.
I mean, in Delhi,
What
you're
about you?
getting this
My name is Abhigyan, and the same reason that she said so, for the same reason we are here to enjoy the pineapple. And
So maybe ma'am have more experience because from all of us. So how do you feel, ma'am?
I feel same.
So have you tried the pineapple yet?
Yes.
So how do you feel like eating this pineapple
I'm
after
enjoying.
so long?
I'm
You're enjoying. And what about you?
it's amazing. Really,
It's amazing.
Really nice.
Is it sweet or like
Oh,
how
yeah.
can you describe?
So basically, the one we took, it's not completely ripe, but it's not very sour also. It's sweet and sour.
Sweet answer.
Yeah.
If you add salt and chili,
Yeah.
it will be more good. Yeah. And
But
what
I
about
like,
you?
Like the original flavor. Of
Original
that, so-
flavor, right? What about you? Like, does it bring back the childhood memory of your sorry,
Yes.
of Agartala?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
And that's the only reason I'm going to pack some like five
$5.
pineapples. I'm going to
You ask her
Yes,
see
I'll
how
ask
she's
her
relishing
also.
it.
She's enjoying.
She's
She's so
having
cute.
it for the first time
First
because
time.
this is the only pineapple she's not allergic to. Otherwise,
Okay.
she gets allergy.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's
she
nice.
gets itching, and this is the only pineapple which doesn't have
Doesn't
all that
have any reaction.
It is amazing. I mean, I just
Oh.
love these pineapples. I'm here for this.
So, what do you have to say about the government of Meghalaya for bringing all this all the way from Meghalaya, promoting the art, culture, the entrepreneur and the farmer, and also the artists, which hopefully I hope you know later in the evening we will have musician. So, what do you have to say to
We're
the
very
government of
thankful to
Meghalaya?
them for getting this here and giving us actually we still know about the pineapples, but there are a lot of people who don't know how actually wonderful and tasty these are. These are not just like the regular pineapples that you get here.
Yes.
Those are, I guess, from Kerala or somewhere, Bangalore, Kerala side. But these pineapples are ultimate. If you have these, you will never like those pineapples. This is the only reason I'm here. Like, one major reason is pineapple. Rest is the art and culture.
The art and culture.
Definitely, because I love the whole art, culture and everything. So I'm going to explore. I'm still yet to explore the whole.
So, what do you have to say to the people who haven't like come and visit this, especially our Northeast people, our Meghalaya people,
They should
our
come.
Bengali people?
Yes,
So, what do you have to say to them?
I think come here, enjoy. You're getting a chance to get it here. I mean, it's at your doorstep. You don't have
Yes.
to go to Meghalaya.
You don't have to go to Meghalaya.
Northeast, anywhere to have this. It's here.
Right.
Come, guys, have it.
So, Parlok and all of you guys, if you are in Delhi, you heard everything. So,
over,
what are you waiting
enjoy.
for? Come till evening and enjoy with us.
Yes. Bye bye.
Now we'll go and ask her.